Now let us move on our next topic, size. Size of India. Size and location of India. India is situated in the latitude of 37.6 degree north from the top part, northern side, 68.7 degree east in the longitude area, 97.25 degree east from the eastern part, and 8.4 degree north. Now total land area of India 3.28 million square kilometer, which is the 2.4 part of the world area, and it is also known as 7th largest in the world. One more fact about the India is the longitude and latitude parallels are divided the India, as we know that, but our prime meridian, the time zone, is different in the Gujarat area and Arunachal Pradesh. As we know that sun rises from eastern part, so the sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh is 2 hours early as in Gujarat area. It is having a vast land area. The distance between the east and west is of 3,214 kilometer, for which the sun rays has to cover, or the parallel of that area to move the earth is of difference between of 2 hours. Whereas we can see the longitude from the northern to southern part of India, it covers the distance of 2,933 kilometers. Some facts: the border of our India is 15,200 kilometers. Its coastline is 7,516.6 kilometer. Latitude area 3,214 kilometer. Longitude area 2,933 kilometer. Coastline means this one is the coastline, the coastal part of India. Now let us move to our next topic, physical features of India. Physical features means the basic features of India. It covers the wide ranges of mountain. Second, northern plain in the north side of the India, this one north. The western part, it is having the desert area. Southern part, southern plateaus are there, and the coastal areas of India. Some islands, first and second. The first islands are of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and here Lakshadweep Islands. So let us revise that. Our physical features of India: mountain, which is also known as Himalaya mountains or the northern mountains. Plain, another physical feature of India, northern plain. Desert, the western desert, or we can say as Thar desert. Plateaus, the southern plateaus. Coastal plain, the coastal plains of India. Coastal plains of India is divided into 2 parts. The first one, eastern coastal plain, and second one, western coastal plains, which are parallel to Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Next one, the islands. The islands, there were two islands. We know that the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. The second part of physical features are the political divisions. India is subdivided into different states and union territories. Now, in current, India is having 28 states and 8 union territories. Do you know which is the current new union territory made by India? It's Ladakh. Very good. It's a Ladakh.